So again, how do we do this if we want to use until? So we want to do it until the condition is true. So currently, when it's 0, this is true, so we wouldn't do it then until it's true. So how do we change it? We need to make it false until what did we want to? We wanted to get up to 3, right? So we want to make it false until we reach 3. So we can say, for example, until we want to do it until we reach 4, or in other words, I'm sorry, until we go beyond 3. So how about this? Would this work? So do it until I is greater than 3. Let's try it. Okay, so that's what we had before, I believe. Yeah, that's what we had before. Let me make sure of that. We had while, and I think I had greater than, less than, do while. Yeah, that's what we had before. Do while that, right? So then we got the same thing. Okay, up to 3, from 0 to 3. So how do we have to change it? If we change this to until, what do we have to do? Until when? Until we want it to go up to 3, but not past 3. So until I is greater than 3, right? Okay, so that will work. Or we could do it a different way. We had less than 4, right? One other way to do it is, so at the beginning, this condition is true, right? I is less than 4, I is 0, so I is less than 4. But if we say we want to do it while that's true, but if we say until, so it's already true, so we won't even do it. But you could change it like this, couldn't you? So that means not. Not means what? When this part is true, the not becomes false. Remember the not operator? We talked about these logical operators called and, or, and not. So when the original statement is true, when this part is true, not makes it false. So that's basically what we want. So when I is less than 4, if we just had without the not there, when I was less than 4, we wouldn't do until, right? It's kind of confusing, but now I change it to not. So this was true, not is false. So then we do it, and then we do it again and again and again. But finally, this becomes false. So not makes it true. Then we don't do it. Anyway, you can think about that. You can figure that out for yourself. So that is another way to do it. Let's make sure that it works. Yeah. Okay. Okay.